Look at this Instagram page, it has over 10 million followers and every video has more than millions of views. That means this Instagram page makes a huge money. Not only that, look at this YouTube channel. It has more than 2.7 million subscribers and according to Social Blade, this channel makes around $25,000 per month. It's a huge money. Now let's see what kinds of videos actually they are making. They are making simple, relaxing videos. And most importantly, they can be made with AI. Today, I will share the step-by-step method of making this kind of relaxing video. So, without further ado, let's dive in. This is David and you are watching AI Lockup. First of all, I will create the visual. To make this kind of visual, we have to follow 3 steps. First, generate images with AI. You can use any image generator. I will go with Leonardo AI. After logging into your Leonardo AI account, come to the image generator page. Now Leonardo AI has 2 interfaces. This is the new interface, and if you want to go legacy mode, you can go there by clicking here. I already made a detailed video on Leonardo AI's new interface, you can watch it from the I button. Okay, first of all, we have to select a preset. After trying several times, I found this Leonardo Lightning XL preset is great for generating this kind of image. Next, you can change the preset style and contrast. Next, in the image dimensions, select an aspect ratio according to your platform. This time, I will select 9:16. Okay, now we have to enter the prompt. If you are not an expert in prompts, you can take the help of ChatGPT to generate exclusive prompts. After coming to ChatGPT, go to the GPT store and then find out Leonardo AI Prompt Generator GPT. Now, we have to enter the basic idea. For example, I am typing, a double-height ceiling cozy living room, winter season. And you can see, ChatGPT provides us with some prompts. Now copy one of them and then paste it into Leonardo AI prompt box and then hit the generate button. After waiting some time, you will get your desired image. Now choose one of them and then upscale the image. It's very important. So, don't forget to upscale the image. Once it is done, download the image on your device. Okay, next, I will create another image for the background. Again, I will generate the detailed prompt with ChatGPT. This time, I will generate prompts about a serene winter night scene in a mountainous region. Okay, our prompt is ready. Let's create images with one of these prompts. And the result is amazing. Now upscale one of them and download the image to your device. Alright, our images are ready. Now we need to do some customization of the living room scene. To do that, I will use a free online photo editor tool called Photopea. After clicking to Photopea photo editor, upload the image. Now we will cut out the window. The easiest way to cut out the windows is to use the polygonal lasso select tool. This allows you to draw straight lines. Simply select the tool and start in one corner of a window. Select each corner until you have completed the entire window and simply press backspace on your keyboard. This will then delete the window part of that image. In the next step, we are then going to add the snow effect and background behind this window to make the image come to life. So you want to do this for every window in the image. In some places, it is a little bit more difficult to cut out the windows. For instance, here on the couch, the best way to cut these out is to use the magic wand tool. Select the window and you will see the magic wand will automatically select a part of the window you can then delete. Simply do this a couple of times until you have the most difficult parts cut out. Once you have these parts cut out, you can go back to the polygonal lasso select tool and do the rest of the window. And it's as easy as that. Now go to File in the top left corner, select Export As, and choose the PNG file type. Give it a name and select Save. Now to bring these images to life, you will need a video editing program. You can use any video editor. I will use CapCut. Because it's user-friendly and you can use it for free. Alright, import both the background image and the image you customized with Photopea. Now insert the background image into the timeline. Then on top of that image, you will need to place the image with the cutout windows. Now for the snow effect, you will need a snow effect green screen video. You can download this kind of footage from YouTube. But the good news is, you can use from CapCut stock library. Come to the stock material from here and then search for the snow green screen. You will find some video footage. Select one of them and insert it in the timeline. Now we have to place this video between the background image and the image with the cutout windows. So, place the green screen video in timeline 2 and the cutout window image in timeline 3. Okay, now we have to remove the green screen from this video. To do that, after selecting the video clip, come to the top right side of the CapCut video editor. Find the Remove BG option. Here you can notice 3 options to remove the background. If you are a free user, you won't find so many options. Don't worry, still you can do that. Select the chroma key option from here. After that, select color from the video. Now we have to adjust the intensity and other values to get a great result. Now if you are a free user, you won't find the cleanup edge option. And you may find your result like this. To solve this issue, come to the adjustment tab from here and then find the saturation slider. Set this one to the left. This will take out all the color of the video, leaving you with completely white snowflakes. Then you can increase the exposure to make the snowflake white. Now it's looking great. But there is another catch. You can see that the snowflake is looking so big and not looks real. So, what do we need to do? We have to decrease the size of the snowflake video and then copy and paste until they cover all the canvas. Okay, now it looks so perfect. And we are done with visuals. Now export the video and save it to your device. Alright, we have the visuals, but what about the music? I will use AI to create the music. And to generate the music, I will use Suno AI. After coming to Suno.com, create an account. After that, come to the Create option. Here in the song description, we have to enter information about our music. For example, I am typing relaxing lo-fi beats, nature. After entering the song description, don't forget to turn on the instrumental option. Okay, now hit the Create button. After waiting some time, you will get 2 soundtracks here. Listen to them. And if you are not satisfied, generate again. You can extend the music also. Okay, now download the music clips and then import the music clips into the CapCut video editor. Delete all the visual elements. After that, import the video clip you have just exported. Now if the music clip is longer than the video, simply copy and paste the video clips until match the duration with the music. After everything is set, hit the export button. And here it is, our relaxing music video is ready. Let's have a look. That's a really good relaxing music clip. Now you can upload it into your Instagram page or YouTube channel. And if you want to go live as channel like Lo-Fi Girl, then you can watch this video from the I button. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating relaxing music videos with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!